Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So we are on the step 3. So here we have to create the instance group for the stateful managed instance. So make sure while creating the instance group we have to select the stateful so that the data can be replicated. Okay, so that the existing hard disk could be detached from the old instance, and while creating the new instance the previous disk the previous hard disk would be attached to the new instance, so that data would be remaining same. Okay. So let me create the instance group here. So you can take any name, and on the left hand side you can see in the manage instance stateless and the stateful. If you see the select the stateless, then the data would be deleted. Okay, so the previous hard drive will not connect to the new instance, so that data would be loose, right? So you have to select the stateful one. So here also you can create the instance group. Okay, like you can go to the instance template and we can directly go for that. Otherwise you can go to the compute instance and we have to, and then you can click on the instance group. Okay, so I selected the stateful one here because we have to, our data is important. So in case if the Apache instance goes down, so at least we can get our data, right? So that the end user cannot be affected. So I selected the template, the existing template here, and I'm creating everything in the US Central. Okay, so you can see here while creating the template, it is not showing the to enable the stateful like the disk. So let me refresh the page. So I think and there's something problem with my internet page, like the way it required to refresh it. Yeah, so after refreshing it, I think, yeah, let me refresh it again. Yeah, I can see here the now I able to see that. So I have to make to change it stateful so that the data would be remain same, and it will be like the data from the old one, and it will click connect to the new creating instance. And while creating it, and you can see the instance repair thing, right? The it's saying like the whenever it will create the new instance, the configuration will be remain same. Okay, so I mentioned the health check also. So now I have to click on create. So on the top on the condition, it will create the new instance, right? Because if the page is not opening, if the port is not listening, then it will create the new instance with the by attaching the previous hard drive, right? It will forcefully remove the hard drive from the old instance, and it will attach to the new instance. Now you can see it's taking some time to create the instance group. Just let me open it. You can see while creating instance group, the VM has been launched, and whatever the things we have defined in the startup script, those package has been installed. So still I is unable to open the page, the Apache web server, because it seems the whatever the startup script we have defined, still it is using those commands, like it is installing the MySQL, it is installing the Apache. Okay, and it is taking some time. And you can you go to the instance, and you can go to the logs, and you can see what is happening inside the instance. Okay, so if you see here, yeah, the page is opening now because it was taking some time to complete those startup script. Okay, so if you want to check this startup script, the status, you just need to go to the VM instance and you can see the log. Okay, thank you guys, so we can meet in the next session. Thank you.